Slowing down a moment can add drama, while speeding it up can create energy. Welcome back to day 18. Final Cut Pro for Beginners, a 30-day foundational video series. Changing the speed of your clips is easy in Final Cut Pro. Let's learn how in under 3 minutes. With your clip selected, click on the retiming icon below the viewer. It looks like a little speedometer. In this menu, you'll see options for slow and fast. Let's choose slow and select 50%. Instantly, your clip becomes twice as long on the timeline and will play back in slow motion. Let's undo that and try fast motion. Select the clip, go back to the retiming menu, choose fast, and select 2x. Now the clip is half as long and will play back at double speed. You can also create a custom speed. In the retiming menu, select custom. A window will pop up where you can type in any percentage you want. Less than 100 is slow, more than 100 is fast. Now, you can control the speed and timing of your edits. We focused on timing and effects, but what about the look of the video itself? In our next lesson, we'll take our first step into color correction. Like and subscribe so you don't miss day 19.